Today I got my home security system installed by Allied Home Security. The team was awesome and the process was seamless. First, we did a complete walkthrough to determine the best locations for the security cameras and alarm panel. They had to drill a few holes in the wall, but it wasn't a big deal, and the touchscreen panel looks great and is super easy to use. Once the panel was placed, the door contacts were placed on all of our entry doors, and then window contacts were placed on our opening windows. They also installed glass break detectors by our larger stationary windows. The team also placed monitored smoke detectors throughout the home. Then the surveillance cameras were installed. The technician made sure that they gave us the best viewing areas in and around our home. The Allied technician then trained us how to use our system and set up facial recognition, integrated our smart home devices, and helped us get set up on the smart home security app. And let me tell you, the app is amazing. You can literally view, control, and protect your home all from a single app. And with the power of smart analytics, you get notifications that actually matter to you. There's so many cool automation and location-based features, there's no way to cover all what this system can do in a single video. It simply works great and is reliable. We are extremely happy with our system and know you will be too. Call Allied today.